For better picture quality, adjust tracking control on your VCR.
There's been a big struggle around here. Cattle tracks go all directions. See?
No one has dared to come this far. Let's turn back.
You're too superstitious, Benoit. You're afraid of your own shadow.
Not my shadow, senor. It's the shadow of that cursed mountain.
Here is high adventure, and in the glorious and colorful Southwest. Starring Guy Madison as the courageous rancher who tried to solve the secret of Hollow Mountain, hiding place of a monster spawned in the dawn of time. He dared to ride where no man had ever set foot before. Patricia Medina, the menace of the beast, stood between her and the man she loved.
I'm getting married tomorrow. I do not want to be a widow or the wife of a murderer on my wedding day.
See Man versus Dinosaur. See and thrill to the terrifying rumble of the first atomic earthquake. See the world's biggest uranium field explode before your very eyes.
And welcome. You're legends of laughter, and people still quote your lines decades later.
Thank you, Rabbi. It's a pleasure to be here.
We brought 2 clean suits and a borrowed tie, so we're honored.
Everyone knows the Who's on First routine. How did that whole...
Welcome to the darkest hour.
When the clock strikes 12 and the veil between worlds thins, join us. Welcome to the darkest hour. Welcome to Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor.
Bowman Boo! I'm Rabbi Joe, keeper of keys and cobwebs here at the Midnight Monster Manor. I bring the light, but don't get too close. This beard is flammable. Even my assistant, Mr. Bones, is dying to see tonight's creature feature.
Oh, shalom, my nocturnal nashers. Welcome back to Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor. It's your old friend Rabbi Joe here in the witching hour to keep you company while the rest of the world sleeps the sleep of the righteous, or at least of the exhausted. Tonight I was studying a very important question that has troubled Jewish scholars for centuries. No, not why do we lean left during the Seder. You know, even Ben Shapiro leans left during the Seder? No, we've settled that one. I'm talking about a deeper mystery. Why is it that every single horror movie monster has such terrible table manners? Think about it. Dracula shows up uninvited, never calls ahead, trips on the carpet. The Wolfman tears into his food like he's late for a lunar eclipse. Frankenstein's monster doesn't even use a fork, just grabs and grunts. Don't get me started on zombies. They eat with their hands, and other people's hands. Meanwhile, here I am, raised properly, napkin in the lap, no elbows on the table, and definitely no brains before the soup course. My Bubby, may she rest in peace, and stop fetching from beyond, would have taken one look at Count Dracula and said, "No, you couldn't put on a clean cape for company? And close your mouth when you chew." I once tried to invite a vampire over for Shabbos dinner. Big mistake. I say the blessing over the wine. He hisses, "I never drink wine." Bring out the challah. He takes one look at the garlic knots in the side and runs and screams into the night. Some people are just so sensitive. And mummies? Forget it. They're wrapped tighter than my Uncle Morty after a bad investment. You try making conversation. So how's the family? All you get back is very stimulating. So tonight, my little creatures of the night, we settle in for whatever delights the manor has prepared. Let us remember one eternal truth. It doesn't matter if you're undead, half dead, or just dead tired. A little decency goes a long way. Even monsters should say please before they bite. Now blow out your candles, lock your doors, or don't, that's your choice. And let's get this fright fest started. The creatures are restless, and honestly so am I. I've got leftover kugel burning a hole in the crypt fridge. Ha, l'chaim, and to screams. In the frozen realms of Minnesota's north, where lakes lie still as glassy eyes in woe, there stands a hallway klep, the quality leering center. A name that twists the tongue and mocks the ear, as if some scribe, in haste or merry jest, didst drop the in from learning, leaving leering bare. O Lear, thou ancient king of brittle throne, divided realms and daughters false as wind, how like thy tragedy this modern stage. A center vowed to nurture tender minds, yet empty halls echo with no child's laugh, whilst coffers swell with gold from public purse. Millions bestowed, yet naught of wisdom taught. And hark, the fool doth caper in the tale, that motley knave with bells and biting truth, who alone spake plain when courtiers lied. So here, a jester bold in daylight hours, doth venture forth with lens and fearless quip, to knock upon the door of this false school, and cry, "Where be the babes? Where be the law?" The guardians shriek and bar the gate in fear, mistaking truth for tempest at the door. Alas, poor Lear, thy storm upon the heath finds echo in this northern comedy grim. Blind rulers portion out their kingdom's wealth to shadows and to signs misspelled in haste. The fool yet laughs, though bitterly he weeps, for folly reigns where quality is feigned, and nothing learned but how the mighty fall. Blow, winds, and crack your cheeks. Rage on, ye snows. The play endures, though actors change the scene.
Shalom, my little ghouls and goblins. Welcome once again to the Midnight Monster Manor, where the creatures come out after sundown and the latkes are always hot. I'm your host, Rabbi Joe, the only horror maven who's kosher certified to scare the daylights out of you. Oy vey, what a night we have lined up. First, to get your blood pumping, or whatever passes for blood in your undead viewers, we're starting with a quick little romp about three fellas who run a tailor shop. You know the type, pressing pants, stitching suits, dodging creditors, and accidentally getting tangled up with a slippery bank robber who leaves his loot in the wrong pocket. These boys poke, slap, and bumble their way through more chaos than a bar mitzvah with an open bar. It's short, it's sweet, and it'll have you in stitches, pun absolutely intended. Because who doesn't love a good tailor joke? It's Sing a Song of Sixpence with the Three Stooges featuring Shemp. But hold on to your kippas, because after that, we're heading deep into the jungle for our main Fright Fest. Picture this. Two hapless schmoes from the city, one skinny and scheming, the other round and terrified of everything with teeth, get roped into a wild safari. They're chasing diamonds, dodging lions, and running from cannibals, and even tangling with a love-sick gorilla who won't take no for an answer. It screams, chases, and enough jungle mishigas to make Tarzan plots. And if you're wondering what is a comedy Africa Screams with Abbott and Costello doing on the Midnight Monster Manor, it does have giant apes, as well as hungry predators, treacherous guides, and all the classics, with more comedy than a Purim spiel going wrong. Not only that, but it also has Shemp and Joe Besser, so you got two stooges who were never stooges at the same time. So grab your popcorn, extra butter, as long as it's Chol Yisrael, but none of that healthy nonsense. Turn off the lights and settle in. Because here at the Manor, we don't just watch monsters. We invite them over for Shabbos dinner. Roll the shorts. First up, those tailors in trouble. Sing a Song of Sixpence with the Three Stooges, and then stick around for the jungle jamboree that's gonna make you howl.
That is the toughest spot I ever tackled. Only beat me. Shemp, give me a hand, will you?
I can't now. I gotta finish my pants.
Hey, fellas, listen to this letter. Gentlemen.
That ain't for us. We're not gentlemen. Speak for yourself.
Oh! Gentlemen, this is to inform you that unless overdue payments for tailoring equipment are made within 24 hours, we will repossess said equipment. Balance now due $321.86. Skin and Flint Finance Corporation. I fleece him president.
That put us out of business. What'll we do?
You guys worry about that. I'm too young to worry and get wrinkles on my pretty little face. What we need is a little music to cheer us up. News flashes. Police are frantically scouring the town in search of Terry Slippery-Fingered Hargan. Hargan has robbed his 18th consecutive safe in 9 days. A large reward is offered for his capture. Does your car have indigestion? Does it burp in the morning? Try no burpoline, the only gasoline containing bicarbonate of soda. Hey, Mo, why don't we capture Hargan and collect the reward, then we can pay our bills?
Oh, it's as simple as all that. Hargan is going to walk right in here and let you capture him. You're nuts. We're going to be paupers. Paupers.
Are you kidding? We're not even married.
Why don't you be quiet?
Oh,
Think.
Well, anyway, I got the spot out. Oh, boy. Am I a sap?
I can't think when I'm hungry. Oh, a funny man. What's the matter with you?
What did I do?
Who wants lunch?
I do.
Make me some too, will you?
Okay, coming up.
Boy.
Well, here we are.
What are you stalling around for? Oh. You know you got a rush order to get out. Get Mr. Grant's pants and hand press him.
All right, but where are they?
I pinned them up in the shade. What'd you do with them?
I didn't touch them.
Uh-oh. Here, hurry up and press those. What are you standing around for?
You double-crosser. Wise guy, this time I'll close you. Oh, no. I'm sorry, Mo.
Oh, think nothing of it.
Oh, gee, thanks.
Hey, you're welcome.
What's the idea?
I'm sorry you stepped into me.
Hey, have you seen...
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. You've really come to the right place.
You bet. This is the store where your dollars have more sense.
Say, we've got the very sport coat you're looking for. I don't want a coat.
But listen, mister, we're going to give you a bargain. Where did you ever get this mess?
I bought it here.
Oh, what a beautiful masterpiece.
Here. Isn't it a beauty?
Genuine import. Smell the ocean. And it's 200% wool.
200%?
Yeah, these sheep led a double life.
Yes, sir. And I'll just throw them right in there. I don't...
Right.
Will you...
There you are.
I don't want a coat. I don't want a coat. I don't want a coat!
Oh, he don't want a coat. What he wants is a pair of our slick slacks.
Why don't you tell me the man wants slacks? Get him slacks. Go ahead. I don't want any... All right, look. Now, look, Bud. In this store, the customer's always right.
Here you are, brother. Slick slacks. Try 'em on for size.
Oh, yes. Try him right on. Gee, officer, we... Quiet! You birds realize you just let Terry Hargan, the bank robber, slip right through my hands? I ought to run you in.
Please, officer, I got 6 wives and 2 kids.
Honest, officer, there was nobody came in here. Well, he's in the neighborhood. Keep a sharp lookout. I'll be back.
Right.
Right. Oh, Marty.
Hello, Sugar Plum. How are you?
Just dandy. Listen carefully. My clothes are in the Pit Boys tailor shop around the corner. Now, in the watch pocket of the trousers, there's a piece of paper with a combination to a safe. I want to do that job tonight, and I need that paper.
Okay, Sugar. Just leave it to me.
Hey, fellas. Look what I found in the pocket of these pants. LRLRLRL. 1, 1, 2.
Hey. L1, R1. Left one, right one.
This is the combination to a safe. TH. I wonder what that means.
Teddy Roosevelt?
You're wrong, quiz kid.
TH. I got it.
What?
Thomas Edison.
Why don't you dumbbell stop? Terry Hargan, he was here. The bank robber was here.
You're crazy. Those clothes came off one of the dummies. Now, no cracks. Oh. Hiya, fellas. Is my coat altered? Just finished. Oh, fine. Try it on. Good.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Here, brush them off.
Sleeves 31 inches. How's that? 31. Yeah. Who made that hat? My mother. I thought so.
There you are. You're all set.
Right. Well, see you on payday.
Right. What kind of brushing you doing around here?
He had a loose baste. Yes, ma'am?
Do you die?
Oh, that's his natural expression.
What can we do for you?
I'd like to have this dress dyed.
What color?
Henna color.
You mean henna color at all?
No. Henna. Henna. It's kind of a brown reddish.
I never ate a brown reddish.
I'm also interested in a sport coat and a pair of slacks for my brother. There's exactly what I want.
Oh, yes, you have it. Tegel gabardine.
How much would that be?
42?
39. You better add that up. What's the total?
$411, but there's a sale today. You get 10% off.
That makes it $42.50.
I'll take them.
Oh, just a moment. I'll be right back.
Henna color. You mean brown radish? Oh, yellow, turnip, blue, cucumbers, anything you want. Go ahead.
There we are.
You said 42.50?
Yeah.
100, 200, 300, 450. There you are. Keep the change.
Thanks. Aren't we the saps? We had a fortune in our hand and let it slide through.
I'm gonna search all the clothes.
Me too. 400, 100.
Hey, look, I found another 50.
Yeah, so you did. Why?
Hey, leave him alone.
Hiya, fellas. My wife is just crazy about the way you fixed this coat. She wants you to make me a pair of pants to match.
Hi.
You got him.
There you are, Sugar Plum.
Oh, I knew you'd come through, baby. This is it. Receive payment in full. Pit Boys, cleaners. Why that dirty... They even took my bankroll, the dirty crooks. Come on, boys, we're going calling.
Green suit, dry clean.
Dry clean, right.
Goldberg, repair the pockets.
Goldberg, repair pockets.
In. Yes, what can we do for you, sir?
We'd like to have our suits cleaned and pressed while we wait.
Why, certainly. Yes, sir. That's what we'll do. Uh-oh.
All right, Bub. Where that piece of paper was in my pants pocket.
You mean the one with the numbers on it?
That's it, that's it.
And the letters LRL?
Yes, yes. Where is it?
I never saw it.
Oh, a wise guy. Okay, fellas, make them talk.
Oh, no.
Get him.
Now, take it easy.
Where's that guy was here?
He went that way.
Oh, I'll get him out.
Why? Cut it out, will you?
Oh. Cut it out! I'm ticklish!
All right, come across with that paper.
Oh, the paper?
Yes, the paper.
Why didn't you say so? There it is. Hey, Larry, I got him! Ouch! Ouch!
Nice work, Mo. We might as well press his pants.
Where is that paper?
I tell you, I haven't got it.
You'll talk. There. You'll talk now.
Hey,
shut up. Where is that piece of paper?
I haven't got it.
Oh, still won't talk.
Oh, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Honest, I did. Still won't. Honest, I...
Oh.
Oh, his head is steaming. Who's this?
Hey, Mo! Mo, Larry! Get me off here! Oh!
Kid, take it easy.
Oh!
How do you feel, kid?
Oh, I'm all right.
We got him! We got Hargan!
Oh.
What's that? It's Hargan, all right.
Oh.
Nice work, boys.
We're in the chips.
The moolah. Now we can pay Skin and Flint. Oh, a couple of more. Hold him while I phone for the wagon. Wait a minute. When do we get our reward? The reward? Oh, I get the reward. But here's some tickets to the policeman's ball. Tickets to the policeman's ball?
Oh, green stuff.
Nick, I'll take him. Thanks again, boys.
Oh, thank you.
Hurry up, count it quick. How much we got?
Wait a minute. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50. Oh, how did that get in here?
Shalom, Fright fans! Rabbi Joe here at the Midnite Monster Manor. Tonight's chills are stitched together by the fine folks at Howard Brothers Tailor Shop. They keep even a mummy looking sharp.
From quick hems to a suit.
Hold still, pal. These scissors got a license to snip. Ow! The tape's got a license to bite.
42 and a half. Give or take a tangle.
Shemp, you zig when I say.
Gentlemen,
The name's Joe. Rabbi Joe. I solve mysteries the cops won't touch, and the Rebbes can't explain. It was a dark and stormy night. Well, every night here is dark and stormy. It's in the contract. But this one felt different. I was in my study polishing my menorah when I heard it. The unmistakable squish, squish, squish of something wet, green, and very unhappy, dragging itself across my mashadi Persian rug. One look at this print, I knew we had a code swamp on our hands. Too big for a frog, too slimy to be a politician, too pungent for my Uncle Sol after a 3-day cruise. No, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this was the work of a genuine, grade A, lagoon-certified creature. I followed the trail, past the crypt, through the kitchen, paused only to grab a knish for stamina, down the hall, right into the laundry room, and there he was, the monster himself, standing in front of my dryer, holding a single red sock, looking like a heartbroken amphibian on prom night. I said, "Bubala, what's the problem?" He looked at me with those big yellow eyes and croaked, "Every time I do a load of laundry, all my clothes come out pink." Turns out the poor guy had been wearing the same black lagoon for centuries. One red sock sneaks in, boom, instant salmon. Even his gills blushed. So I did what any good rabbi would do. I sat him down, gave him a cup of chamomile tea, and explained color sorting. Whites with whites, darks with darks, and monsters with, well, whatever category slightly radioactive Swamp Thing falls into. Well, case closed. Another creature helped. Another rug ruined. But that's the job here in the manor. We don't just scare you. We solve your problems, one slimy footprint at a time. Now dim the lights, lock the dryer door, and let's roll whatever nightmare fuel we've got queued up tonight. Because somewhere out there another monster is turning pink, and only we can stop it. Rebbe shalom, my friends.
Me the Koblenzer, Rebbe, but after sundown I'm just another gumshoe with a license and a habit of finding trouble. The city was slick with rain, and someone out there was praying for answers. Rebbe investigations.
Talk to me. Yeah, I'll be there.
The call took me to the South Pier, where the night smells like old fish and broken promises. What I found was a
Easy there, big fella. No one here but the washers and me.
I can't stop. It keeps leaking out.
It's been a long night. You got something you want to show me?
It's all I got left of her.
Sock.
She wore it the day we met. Other one drifted out the bed with the tide.
I'll find where it floated. Might even find her.
The name's Joe. Rabbi Joe. Private eye to the supernatural. Rebbe to the restless dead. It's midnight again in the manor, and the shadows are thicker than my bubby's matzo ball soup. I've seen things in this business. Golems with alimony problems. Dibbicks who can't commit. But tonight the case file reads like a bad fever dream from the back clot of Monogram Pictures. Two small-time operators got themselves tangled in a caper south of the equator. Diamonds. Lions. A gorilla with commitment issues. They call it Africa Screams, but I call it Tuesday. Abbott's the smooth talker with a plan that never works. Costello's the lovable schlemiel who screams every time a leaf rustles. Classic double cross, double take material. If you're looking for trouble in the jungle, boys, you just found it. And it's wearing a fedora made of palm fronds. Lou love him. But wait, there's more. Because no self-respecting noir detective closes a case without a side hustle. Enter the Pip Boys tailor shop. 3 wise guys, call them Larry and Shemp. They run a joint that's one bad stitch away from the poorhouse. The finance company wants their pants. Literally. Then a slippery crook drops off a suit with the combination to a safe sewn in the pocket. Cue the chase, the eye pokes, the pants pressed that make pancakes instead of creases. They call it Sing-a-Song of Six Pants. I call it the most dangerous dry cleaning job since the flood. 2 pictures, 1 night, a whole lot of Michigas, and a whole lot of Shemp. In Africa Screams, our heroes dodge cannibals and crooks for a fistful of ice. But before that, in Sing-a-Song of Sixpence, our tailors dodge bankruptcy and beatings for a fistful of nickels. Both got the same moral. Never trust a guy who says trust me. And always check the pockets before you press the pants. So grab your popcorn, your Manischewitz, and maybe a talus for protection. Not a talisman. Because tonight in Rabbi Joe's Midnight Monster Manor, the shadows are long, the laughs are cheap, and the monsters, well, there's a giant gorilla wearing cheap suits and worse accents. Case closed, lights out, but the screams, boy, they just keep coming. Stay scared, stay holy, and for heaven's sake, tip your tailor.
Stay right where you are. Don't move. Stay there now. Steady. Now, sit up. Sit up. Sit up, you. Up, you fool. Up. I'll show you who the boss is. Sit up, I said. Sit up. Up.
Really, Mr. Livington?
Oh, I'm sorry. Please, let me help you. Oh, here. Buzz! Oh, Buzz! What's the matter? Buzz! Take it easy. What's the matter? Oh. Wait a minute. Take it away. Not here! Wait a minute. Take it easy. Stanley. This is a harmless little kitten. Buzz, I'm scared of that. What? Look at the wild look in his face. Oh. I can't understand why you have this terrible fear of animals in you. What is it? When I was a little baby, I was scared by my piggy bank. Oh, that's nonsense. You want to hear something worse? What? I was 15 years old before I ate my first animal cracker.
Come on, the store's about to open up. Fix up your collars. Get to work.
Go on. In how? Yes, sir. That's the truth.
How do you do? May I help you?
Do you happen to have a copy of Dark Safari by Cuddlefoot?
I'll find out.
Hey, Bob.
How do you do, gentlemen?
We like to speak to salesman, pal.
Well, I'm the salesman, Stanley Livington. I'm the clerk in charge of all Jungle Books. And at 11 o'clock, giving a lecture.
Yeah. You got a book by the name of Dark Safari by Cuddlefoot.
Dark Safari by Cuddlefoot? We did have it. Well, we got rid of it some time ago. I want to tell you, gentlemen, I read that book. I had nightmares for 9 months.
How well do you remember that book?
Why?
You remember a map in it?
A map in that book? Of course I remember it.
Could you draw it?
Could I draw it?
For $1,000?
Draw that map in that book for $1,000? Mm-hmm. For $1,000, I could draw that map in oil.
Okay, then meet us in the alley tonight at 7:30. And we'll take it to somebody who'll give you $1,000 the minute you lay down the pencil. Is it a deal?
Shake.
Okay, pal. See you in the alley tonight at 7:30. And be there, chum. Get me?
$1,000 to draw that map.
I'm sorry, but that book is out of print. In fact, we sold the last one some time ago.
Oh, dear, I was afraid of that. I've been to every bookstore in the city. There's a map in that book that I'd give $2,500 for.
Will you give me that again, please?
I said there was a map in that book that I'd give $2,500 for.
$2,500? Excuse me, I'll be right back. What are you doing?
Hey, Buzz, this you'll never believe. There were two guys in here.
Look, I understand. Look, Stanley, how well do you remember that book you read about, Dark Safari?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. There was two guys in here.
Look, you remember there was a map in it.
You two. Now, go away.
What are you doing there?
I'm drawing that map now. No, you don't.
Oh, you
Buzz, don't tear that up. I got a chance to make it.
Quiet. Come on, follow me. Oh, hey, take it easy. Come on. Madam, you are the luckiest person in New York this morning. Allow me to introduce Stanley Livington, one of the world's greatest wild game hunters.
Oh, how exciting. Wild game hunters are my weakness. This is really a thrill, Mr. Livington.
So nice meeting you, too, but I'm really not...
It might interest you to know that when Mr. Cuddlefoot wrote Dark Safari, Mr. Livington was right there.
Oh, wonderful. Then you must be very familiar with the map that is in that book.
Map?
Yes.
Oh, sure. That's one map I could draw in a darkroom even without a pencil.
You see, your troubles were all over. I could make arrangements to bring him over to your home this evening.
Oh, marvelous. No. I think it's a wonderful idea. No. My name is Emerson, Diana Emerson.
How do you do, Miss Emerson? No, I got a date in the alley.
She'll have to wait.
She'll have to wait.
Here's my address. See you tonight, then. Goodbye.
Goodbye. That's the kind of girl I dream about. But you should see the ones I get.
I tell you, boss, the guy said he knew the map backwards. So we make a date to meet him, bring him in, have him draw it. Yeah, and the little muzzler never shows up after us offering him $1,000.
Well, you can relax. I found somebody myself this morning.
You did, boss? Where?
In Clopper's department store.
That's where we found our guy.
Wait a minute. Was he a silly-looking little fat guy?
That's him.
Why, that two-timer. You offer him $1,000 and he holds out for a higher price.
The minute he puts his foot through the door, I'll break every bone in his head.
You'll do no such thing. When he leaves, you boys can meet him outside and get my money back.
We get you, boss.
Now go out the side entrance. I'm closing a deal with the man who's going to lead the safari. Won't you come in, Mr. Beatty?
This is the place. Now, don't forget, she thinks you're a big game hunter.
Buzz, why do you keep getting me in the middle? I wish you hadn't.
Why, you ingrate. Here I'm giving you a chance to make me $2,500. Is that the way you want to repay me for all the things I could have done for you? Come on.
I'm sorry.
Oh, come on. Stanley, will you come on?
I'm shutting off the water.
Well, turn it off and come on.
I stopped it.
Good. Come on up here.
May I see you a minute, please?
Now what's the matter?
My finger's stuck.
Leave it there and come on.
Okay.
What's the matter? Well, let me see this.
Not that one, not that one! That one! Don't borrow that one!
Harry, did you answer the door?
No. Do I have to?
Answer the door.
Oh, all right. Do everything around here. Get this. The office is too tight. I gotta be a cook and a butler. One of these days I'll just, well, so I'll just do it. Yes?
Mr. Johnson and Mr. Livington to see Miss Emerson.
Well, come in. Oh, who is knocking? Well, come in. Miss Emerson is busy for the moment. Will you step in the living room, please? Pats.
Thank you.
Ow, that hurts. That belongs on outside. Yeah, I can't get it off. Help me get it off. Well, you get your hand. Well, not so hard. You get your hand out. I'll pull it out. Get your hand out of the way now. Get your hand out of the way. Get your hand out of the way. Well, get your hand out of the way. I'll get it off.
Naturally.
All right, gumshoes. Before we dive into the jungle and the dry cleaning disasters, let's dust off the dossiers on the real players. The mugs who turned these two pictures into midnight gold. And oi, what a lineup. Start with the headliners. Bud Abbott as Buzz Johnson. The straight man supreme. The guy who could sell ice to an Eskimo and make it sound like a mitzvah. And yes, he was a member of the tribe. His mom was Jewish, so was he. He and Lou cranked out classics, like Buck Privates in 1941, Hold That Ghost, In the Navy, and of course the monster mash masterpiece Abbott and Costello Meet Frankenstein in 1948, the second movie where Bela Lugosi plays Dracula, of only two. They had their own radio show in the 40s. They jumped into TV with the Abbott and Costello show in 1952, and Bud even voiced himself in the Hanna-Barbera cartoon version later on. A pro from vaudeville to the end, never missed a beat, even when the timing got tough, which was especially difficult for him because he suffered from epilepsy. Lou Costello's Stanley Livingston, a play on Stanley and Livingston, the wide-eyed schlemiel who screams first and thinks never. They're the heart of Africa's screams. Two bookstore clerks who stumble into Diamond Hunt like a trip to the deli. Classic Abbott and Costello. One pushes, one panics, and the laughs pile up like matzo balls. But here's the twist that makes this file special. Shemp Howard is in both features tonight. That's right, the one and only Shemp, the original stooge, brother to Moe and Curly, uncle to the whole slapstick family. In Sing a Song of Sixpence, he's the nervous tailor Shemp, dodging bankruptcy and getting poked in the eyes with the best of them. But then he pops up and Africa screams as Gunner, the nearsighted big game hunter who couldn't hit a barn door with a bazooka. Coke bottle glasses, shaky aim, and screams that could wake up pharaohs. Shemp bridges these two worlds like a mensch on a tightrope. And speaking of stooge connections, we meet Joe Besser, the man who steps into Shemp's shoes years later in the Columbia shorts. He's here in Africa Screams. He's Harry, the whiny, cautious expedition member with the classic Besser built, "You crazy, you nuts," and that unforgettable, "My tent's on fire" routine. This is the only time Shemp and Joe Besser ever shared the scream. Fate's little joke. One leaves the Stooges and the other one takes his place after Shemp's passing in 1955 once they ran out of fake Shemps. But in 1949, they're both here causing chaos in the same jungle. We might remember also that he played the bratty Stinky on the Abbott and Costello show, the Super on the Joey Bishop show, and voiced cartoons like Babu on Genie. And after the Stooges, he kept going strong on TV and voice work. A survivor with a whine that could cut glass. We have Hillary Brooke, the knockout blonde, playing the double-crossing Diana Emerson. She specialized in classic English types, even though she was born in Astoria, Queens, just like my Bubby. Think The Philadelphia Story, Jane Eyre, Alfred Hitchcock's The Man Who Too Much, Sherlock Holmes, and The Woman in Green, and horror like Invaders from Mars. But we all know her as a regular on the Abbott and Costello show as Lou's classy crush, and guest spots on I Love Lucy and Yes, Perry Mason, Don't Tell Svengoolie. She was also in another monster movie, The Lost Continent, which had plenty of cool dinosaurs up on the top of that plateau once they got there. Then you got some real heavyweights, Max Baer and Buddy Baer, actual former boxing champs playing tough guys, Grappler McCoy and Boots Wilson. And for extra authenticity, Clyde Beatty, the famous lion tamer, and Frank Buck, the real-life explorer, playing themselves. This ain't just a comedy. It's a circus of cameos. Max Baer Sr. boxed his way into films like The Prize Fighter and The Lady and The Harder They Fall. Buddy, the giant brother, played Heavies and Titans in Quo Vadis. Jack and the Beanstalk, another public domain flick with Abbott and Costello. And westerns opposite big stars like James Arness, who we know from The Thing and was the brother of Peter Graves, who we saw in another episode in Killers from Space. These fellows brought real muscle to the comedy, literally. These 6+ cameos didn't just fill the screen, they filled theaters for decades. From vaudeville to monsters, stooge shorts to TV reruns, they gave us Last the Rain, Outside This Manor. Shemp ties it all together, Joe Besser adds the wine. I'm not talking about Manischewitz. We got an H in there. And the Bears add the brawn, Hillary adds the class, and Abbott and Costello, they add the magic. So cue the reels, Bubbalas, the jungle's wild, the pants are pressed to the laughs. They're timeless. Rabbi Joe's got his eye on every frame. From the shadows. Stay scared, stay holy, and remember, if your tent's on fire, don't call me. Call Joe Besser.
Well, not so hard. Get your hand out. I'll pull it out. Get your hand out of the way now. Get your hand out of the way. Get your hand out of the way. Well, get your hand out of the way. I'll get it off.
Naturally, I haven't publicized the expedition because I could easily become the victim of unscrupulous people.
If that map's one of the few in existence, the owner would practically have you in the palm of his hand.
This man coming tonight is the gullible type, but fairly intelligent. If he can remember the map accurately, we'll proceed at once.
That'd be fine with me, Miss Emerson.
And now regarding your fee. Suppose we say $5,000 in advance and $15,000 on completion.
That's very liberal.
On the contrary, money is no object, as long as I get what I'm after.
Come on, will you? Ha-ha, there it is. Oh, not that hand, this one. Well, put this hand in your pocket. Get your hand out of it. Oh. Oh, sometimes if... Oh. Stanley, I just found out that map is worth more than $2,500, that woman. I can't get over it. All I did was go like this and the water came out. Are you listening? Come on. Come on. You go in the living room. Wait. I'm going to snoop around here and find out more about this deal. Go ahead.
Who was at the door, Harry?
Mr. Livingston and Mr. Johnson.
Good. Where are they?
They're in the living room.
I'll see them in a minute, and we'll have coffee in the library. Harry, I'm phoning Gunner to come over. Please leave the door open.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me. I didn't know anybody in the room. I'm awfully sorry. Say, hold it. Wait where you want. You know, you standing in front of this here picture reminds me of my last expedition in Africa. That's so. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. And it was my most dangerous expedition. We were after cats. Big cats. You know what cats are? Lions, I imagine. Oh, there's no imagine about it, my friend. Lions are lions. Here or any place, they're lions. You can't imagine they're lions. Oh, no, indeedy. I want to tell you something. My first afternoon out, I bagged 64 lions. Gad, what a hunt. Really? Oh, yes. And then I ran into an old friend of mine, Clyde Beatty. No. Yeah. And was he hurt? He didn't bag a lion for 2 weeks. Really? I bagged them all. He couldn't hit one of them. Of course, when it comes to handling lions, he don't know from nothing. I am the boy right over here. I want to tell you something else, too, between you and I. Clyde Beatty is a phony. On the side, a pretty nice fella, but between you and I, a phony. Something else I want to tell you, friend. Who do you think tames the lions that he has inside the cages? Me, Stanley Livington, the world's greatest hunter.
No kidding.
Yes, sir. Well, one of the greatest. By the way, what's your name?
Clyde Beatty.
Clyde Beatty. Clyde, it's nice knowing you. I want you to stick around because I'm going to tell you how I used to go in myself and tame those lions. Now, when it comes to taming the animals, Clyde... Clyde! Clyde!
Oh, good evening. I see you've met Mr. Livington, our big wild game hunter, eh?
Yes, indeed.
Swell.
He just didn't tell me about some of his exploits.
Oh, swell, that's fine. Tell him about the time you and Clyde Beatty went tiger hunting in India.
Yes, I'd like to hear about it.
Yes, indeed. Why, Stanley tells me that he outshot Beatty 5-1. By the way, I don't think you've introduced me to this gentleman.
Clyde Beatty.
Clyde Beatty. I'll be seeing you around.
Mr. Beatty, I'm sorry for what I said about Mr. Beatty. Excuse me.
Why, Mr. Johnson and Mr. Livington, please forgive me for keeping you waiting. You met Mr. Beatty?
It seems Mr. Livington and I are hunting pals.
Won't you gentlemen have some coffee? And after coffee, we'll have Mr. Livington draw the map.
I'm terribly sorry. Mr. Livington will not be able to draw the map.
But he's got to. The whole success of my trip depends on it.
You mean you intend to take a trip to Africa?
Very definitely. I'm planning a safari.
I wonder if I may be excused. I know you folks would rather talk business in private.
If you don't mind, I think it would be better. Mr. Beatty's hat, Harry. Excuse me, gentlemen.
Good night, old friend.
Quick, Grapple and Boots are outside waiting to slug Johnson and Livington. Tell them the plans are changed and to lay off.
Yes, ma'am. Look, Buzz, let me draw the map. We'll get the $2,500 and get out of here.
Certainly not. Now, if I play your cards right, we'll get more than $2,500. Listen, you heard her. She's organizing a safari.
I wish I was there.
Where?
On a Hoboken safari right now.
Stanley, you're absolutely right. As you surmised, and to be frank with you, I don't blame you for having the desire.
Desire to what?
Of course, I'll have to explain everything to the lady.
Explain it to me.
Mr. Livington insists on journeying a safari to Africa.
I insist.
There you are. You heard it from his own lips.
Hello. Just a minute. How do you do?
You see, with Mr. Livington in Africa, he'd feel right at home, and it'd be very simple for him to draw the map without any difficulties.
I think it's an excellent idea.
Silly.
Once we're there, he can lead us to the East Fork of the Tarabongo and Okavango River.
Lead you to the fork? Yes, surely, of course, there'll be the regular $5,000 fee in advance and $15,000 on completion. Of course, that includes my services.
What? Splendid.
That's fine.
And for your safety, I'm going to assign you my best follow-upper.
Follow-upper?
Yes, he's the man who follows you in the jungle. And if you miss a shot at a charging animal, he shoots and saves your life. Oh, that's him now. Excuse me.
Shirley.
Hey, listen, Buzz. I'm not going to go over there. You got no right to put me in a thing like that.
What kind of money?
You're always putting me right in the middle of it. I don't care what kind of money.
Don't you give me that.
No, listen, you're going to be over there with
no arguments.
I'm not going to go over there with all those lines.
I tell you.
I'm going to start going to get away with it.
Do as I tell you. No arguments.
No, I'm not. I won't.
Gunner, I'd like to have you meet Mr. Johnson and Mr. Livington, Gunner Jensen.
Hi. I don't want to seem inquisitive, but just what are we going to Africa for?
Well, we're going after an orangutan gargantua.
Orangutan gargantua.
Excuse me, please.
Pardon?
May I see you? What's orangutan gargantua?
It's a big ape.
Oh, a big ape?
Yeah, stop worrying.
Nate, excuse me.
Pardon me.
Big ape?
Yeah.
You mean like the thing I see in a circus, like the fodder to the monkey?
Yeah, it's only bigger.
Ping! And he's going to protect me?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Gunner, show them how you can shoot the Winchester.
You missed the lion. I raised the gun to my shoulder, looked through the peep sight, and I looked through the peep sight, put my finger on the trigger, grabbed for the pump slide, and I... No pump slide.
Stanley. Stanley! Now where did he go? Stanley!
Hello. Hello. The cat's coming along fine, Miss Emerson, and in the morning we'll start for the interior.
Very good.
Well, we've looked the whole place over. You want to know something, boss? This don't look like a place to find diamonds.
You fool. Don't you ever mention the word diamonds. We're supposed to be after an orangutan.
And another thing, boss. I'm getting awfully sick of these two guys you're depending on. They're always fouling us up.
Just be patient. It won't be long now before the map is in my hands.
Stanley! Drop everything! Huh? Drop everything! Come here, Stanley. Get out. Get out from under there. Hurry mind the tent. Come over here and draw that map.
The map?
The map.
If I draw, will you let me go home?
Why do you want to go home?
I forgot something.
What did you forget?
I forgot to say this.
Hey, draw the map. Come on. Boy, oh boy, can you picture me? A tycoon. Oh, building, yachts, railroads. I don't know. I might even buy an airline. According to how I feel. Boy, winters in Maine, summers in Florida. Oh, it's unbelievable.
Kid him. He could even get his laundry out.
Have you got it ready yet? Come on. You got it? Attaboy. Oh, this paper here is worth $1 million. $1
million? Well, I thought I did it. Give me something. I got to have something for it.
Oh, sure. I intended to. Here's a nickel.
Thank you.
Attaboy.
Oh, a nickel.
Hello, Diana.
Harry, some tea for Mr. Johnson.
And plenty of sugar. Wonderful day we're having. You're looking marvelous yourself.
You're in fine spirits.
I have all the reasons in the world to be. I finally persuaded Stanley to draw the map.
Oh, well, may I see it?
I also made some very interesting discoveries. Aside from the orangutan, there are far more important things to be found in that particular territory.
Really?
Yes, and due to the facts, I personally think I'm entitled to a new deal.
Well, what kind of a deal did you have in mind?
Well, I'd say 20% of the safari's profits would be fair.
Very liberal. In view of your generosity, may I see the map?
Oh, yes, Shirley. Now, this map will take you right to, there seems to be something lacking here. I'll see Stanley. There's some detail work. He hasn't really completed the map. I'll be right back.
Here's your tea. I put plenty of sugar in it.
Drink it yourself.
Oh, drink it yourself.
Harry, I want to see Boots and Grappler immediately.
Ooh. All right. Come here. Why, Zalek, huh?
Now, what's the matter with you?
Thought you were putting something over on me. This is not the map that was in Cuddlefoot's book.
Oh, yes, it is.
This thing tells you how to get to Clapper's department store.
Well, that's the map. I used to keep that map in Cuddlefoot's book.
Listen, you nitwitted numbskull. These people want a map of the Bangui territory.
The Bangui territory? Bangui territory?
Yes.
I was wondering why they want to pay all that kind of money just to find the directions how I get to Clapper's department store. That I couldn't understand.
Just a minute. Do you realize we're in the most dangerous spot we've ever been in our lives?
Dangerous spot?
Dangerous spot.
Buzz.
What?
Is it worse than the time when Skinny Marink knocked the chip off my shoulder?
Ah, certainly.
Worse than that?
I should say it is.
And the time I drew the line like that?
Far more.
Yeah, but that time he came over the line. It's worse than that?
Never mind that. It's worse than that.
Oh, are we in trouble?
Wait a minute.
Oh.
We got to do something. I have it. We've got to get out. Come on.
Come on, hurry up.
What you doing, boys? Going somewhere, fellas?
We were just going to take these little trunks inside the tent.
Get moving.
Hey. Go ahead. Knock the chip off my shoulder.
Not that. Your head's liable to go with it.
Oh.
Go on. Get moving.
I'm getting sick and tired of getting pushed around by you guys. Did you hear me? I'm getting sick and tired of it. Hey, come on back. Come on back. Hey, come on back. Hey, come on back. Hey! Step on that side of the line. Come on.
Stanley, no, don't bother me. Stanley, you're not going to kill anyone.
Don't hold me back.
Don't do that.
Somebody's got to get it. And when I get this mad, somebody's got to get it.
Stanley. Fine friend you are. You bring me away out here in the heart of the jungle. Why? Because you told me that you could draw the map. You can't draw, can you? You knew you couldn't. Why'd you bring me away out here? Now what am I going to do? What am I going to do with the boats I was going to buy, and the buildings I was going to buy, the railroads I was going to buy? Put that down. That's a fine how do you do. Nice goings on from a pal, from a friend. I never expected it from you. I'll have to go into bankruptcy, that's all. That's all that's left for me to do. And what'll my friends say? To think that you, my bosom friend... Look, where are you going with the water?
Oh, my tent's on fire!
Well, what have you got to say for yourself? it's early yet.
Well, this is where Cuddlefoot stopped. Now, on the bottom of page 389, according to Cuddlefoot, he wrote that he had a very uneventful day. Therefore, he made camp on the bank of the Crocodile River. Now, over there is the Crocodile River. Over here.
You'll have to forgive him. You see, Stanley is actually living the book.
That's not all. That night, Cuddlefoot, he posted a double guard because he was nearing the Banky country, which was full of ferocious animals and cannibals.
Stanley's right. This is pretty dangerous territory. I suggest we pitch camp on this side tonight.
But that means we're losing an entire half day.
Well, if you cross over, you're going to lose 2 days anyway.
Why?
Well, according to Cuddlefoot, when he crossed the river, he was brought down by jungle fever. And he was that way for 36 hours.
Miss Emerson, I think we should look for a location to pitch camp.
All right, Mr. B.
Stanley, come in. You've got to use a little more tact when you talk to Miss Emerson. You know, she's liable to send us back to the States.
Good.
Good. What's the matter? Oh, my goodness. You worrying about that? That's just a little baby lion. Wait a minute. I'll get a hold of him. Can you imagine that?
Buzz, don't. Buzz, don't.
Get here.
You remember what happened in Copper's department store? Don't do it.
Now, don't get excited. This little cat was raised on milk.
So was I, but I ain't meat now. Take it away.
Go ahead.
Go back to his mother. Huh?
Touch it. Now, go ahead. Touch it. There you are. You see? Yeah. There you are. Go ahead. Now, go ahead. There he is. Look how cute he runs.
Hey, I got my finger back.
What do you mean you got your finger? You touched him, didn't you?
I touched a real lion.
That's all there is to
A
it.
real lion. Brave, too.
Well, that's it.
Just like that.
That'll take that fear out of you.
I'm going to capture that little baby lion. I'm going to bring it back to Diana.
Hey, wait a minute. That's a good idea. That'll put us in good with her.
Yeah.
Go ahead, kid. I'll see you at camp.
Well, Buzz, I guess we lost that pussycat. Oh, Buzz. Oh, no. Hey, Buzz. Oh, Buzz. Hey, it's dark down there. I can't see a thing. How'd you fall in a trap anyway, you clumsy boy? I'm going to throw you some rope down there. Can't see a thing, so grab for it. Yeah, boy. Now, Buzz, you better go on a diet because you're getting awful fat and awful heavy. Give me the other end of the rope. Thank you. Now, we'll leave it here for whoever belongs to it. We better go over and check on that trap. Stanley! Stanley! All right, boys. We've done a good job now. Take them back to the truck. Come on, boys. Back to the truck. Stanley! 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 Look out there, fellow. There's a trap right there in front of you.
A trap? Thanks, stranger. Hey, my name is Buzz Johnson. I'm looking for a little Chubby guy by the name of Stanley Livington. Have you seen him?
No, I haven't. My name is Frank Buck.
Frank Buck? Well, I'm certainly glad to know you.
Glad to see you. I'm looking for a great big guy called Orangutan Gargantua. Have you seen him?
Oh, no.
Well, I just built this trap for him. Come on, you better get away from this trap.
I think we better. Say, Mr. Buck, is there really such an animal as an orangutan gargantua?
Of course there is.
There is.
There's one right around this district now. Great big fellow, about 20 feet high. Face almost human. Matter of fact, I've got traps all around here set for him.
Mm-hmm. Hey, boss! Mr. Buck, I wonder if you'd help me find my camp.
Why, I'd be very glad to. Trap! Whoa, please! Got one! We don't need a baby, though, but we got him. What? Bring that net around there. Come on, now. Now, get him in the net there. Bring him up. Hold him up. Johnson, that's the first of the species ever captured by a human being. You two take the balls out. Drop the net. Come on, Mr. Bull. Come on, get him up there. Get him up. Heist him up. Take the slack out of the way. Careful, boy.
Is he ferocious?
Well, we don't know.
Oh. It's Stanley. Stanley, where have you been? I've searched this jungle all night long for you.
Last night, I want to take that shot.
This is no time for clowning. Come on, listen, what are you trying to do, make a monkey out of yourself?
That's all the extra work you did for my men here. Listen, are you the guy that dug this hole?
Yes, I am.
The least you could have done was put a red lantern in. I'm going to report you to the African League for better road improvement. I certainly am.
Take it easy,
What are you trying to build anyway, a trap?
Yeah, it's a trap.
You're doing it all wrong.
What do you mean I'm doing it all wrong?
This guy don't know from nothing about building a trap. I showed Frank Buck how to build all his traps, every one of them. He listens to me. I'm one of the biggest game hunters in the whole world. That's why I'm over here.
Wait a minute.
You got the whole thing. It's swung. Will you keep quiet? It's swung over here. Will you keep quiet after what I saw last night? I'm the boss. I know what I'm talking about. It's one. Who's this character?
Frank Buck.
Frank Buck. How you do?
Yeah.
I'll see you later, Mr. Buck.
Yeah, we're getting on with the truck and stand over there.
Boys, hit the trap again now. Get it all ready. Mr.
All right, you Midnite mavens. We've met the mugs in front of the camera. Abbott and Costello, the Stooges, Shemp double dipping like a pro. Don't double dip. But every caper needs a mastermind pulling the strings from the shadows. Tonight we shine the light on the real operators, the directors, producers, screenwriters, and behind-the-scenes crew who turned cheap sets into comedy gold and jungle chaos into laughs. Let's start with Africa Screams, a big safari screw-up from 1949. This was not Columbia Pictures, and it was not Universal Pictures. Directing this jungle jamboree, we have Charles Barton, a solid pro who knew how to handle comedians. He directed a bunch of Abbott and Costello pictures, including some of their monster meetups, such as Abbott and Costello Meets Frankenstein, and later helmed episodes of The Addams Family and The Love Boat. He kept the pace snappy so the boys could run, scream, and dodge lines without the whole thing falling apart. Producing, we had two big shots. Edward Nassour, the studio boss whose name was practically a punchline on the set. Folks joked that the movie should have been called Nassour Screams because he was sweating bullets over the budget overruns and hunting in Hartford, the A&P supermarket heir who rolled this independent venture. The two pulled up cash when Universal wouldn't, giving Abbott and Costello a little freedom to go wild. On the script, Earl Baldwin wrote the story, screenplay polish from Mark Maragaway and Leonard Stern, the same guys who penned a lot of Abbott and Costello's radio bits and TV episodes. They turned the simple diamond hunt into a parade of cannibals, gorillas, and nearsighted hunters. Behind the lens, cinematographer Charles Van Engerd, a black and white wizardry that made a soundstage look like Darkest Africa, and editor Frank Gross kept the cuts quickly and punchy, and composer Walter Schumann laying down the score that amps up the adventure without drowning out the gags. Edward Nassour also made The Beast of Hollow Mountain, which was a monster movie, a precursor to the Valley of Gwangi, based on Willis O'Brien's story about cowboys and dinosaurs. So these are the unsung heroes, the one who lit the lights, wrote the lines, yelled cut, sometimes accidentally on mic, and kept the cameras rolling while the stars took the hits, without Barton wrangling the jungle and Nasser screaming about the budgets. Or on the Three Stooges, Jules White directing the eye pokes, or Adler dreaming up Six Pants Worth of Trouble. We'd have no screams, no songs, and just silence. But thanks to them, we got 2 pictures full of Michigas that still make us laugh in the dark. So cue the features, bubblers. The directors called action, the producers paid the bills, and the writers dreamed the gags. And Rabbi Joe, he's just here to narrate from the shadows. Stay scared, stay holy, and if your pants get pressed tonight, thanks Jules White.
Buck, the boys have finished resetting the traps.
All right, go down the other way now and set the other one.
Yes. I'm sorry I fell in your trap.
Oh, that's all right.
But last night I saw something like I never saw before in my life. Now, even in a nightmare, I never saw anything like this. I'm not sorry, he had a head like that.
All right, go ahead.
I'm looking right at him like that. I said...
Eat your food, come on. Good sugar. Don't you so nervous. Don't play with it, eat it. What's the matter with you? Huh? He must be tired. Buzz. What's the matter?
You see this thing over there?
Certainly not.
Then I got jungle fever.
I'd better get him back to our camp.
I think you better, too.
Now, just follow the trail exactly as I told you, and you won't miss it. And look out for my traps. Oh, wait, I think you better take a gun along with you. Well, George, I think we can use one. Yeah. Thanks a lot. All right. So long, Mr. Buck. So long. So long. Bye, boys. Come on. Take it easy. Take it easy.
What a business for a guy to be in. Crocodiles and lions bring a lot of dough back in the States. You can have it. Okay, boys, you're finished. Let's go back to the compound.
Well, Buzz, after this swim, I'll feel like a diamond in the rough.
Yeah.
Diamond. That's right.
Stanley, I think Diana's trying to put something over on us. Doesn't it seem funny to you that as soon as Clyde Beatty goes out to bag lions, she lets us come down here to take a swim in the river?
Oh, tush.
Now, never mind the tush.
I can use it.
Just a minute. We may be in the diamond territory. Maybe she knows where the diamonds are.
Buzz.
Maybe she has the diamonds.
Buzz, you gotta take it easy. You need more sleep nights, kid. Now, forget about diamonds.
I'm a little worried.
Don't get worried. Hold it.
I know.
Come on. Let's go in and take a bath. A bathe or something, and swim nicely.
All right, put it down.
Come on, let's go.
Well?
The last one in is a whole maid.
Wait a minute. Where are you going?
I'm gonna dive in.
In there?
Of course in there. I gotta dive in over there. Your head over there.
Did you read this sign?
What?
Do you know what that sign says?
Who's walking on the grass?
Hey, wait a minute. You can't dive in there. There's nothing but crocodiles in there.
Oh.
What? Crocodiles. Wait a minute. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. You see over here? There's nothing but nets.
I dive inside the net.
Yeah, the crocodiles can't get in the nets.
That's good.
That's well. Go ahead right in and enjoy yourself.
Okay.
Can you make it? Oh, come on. That's warm.
It's cute.
Sure. Atta boy. Whoa, boy. Where you going? What a belly flop.
Hey, Buzz.
Right.
Watch my impersonations.
Oh, you do impersonations?
Yeah. Watch. My first one. A seal.
A seal.
Here I go. Pretty good, huh?
The lion.
Hey, that's my animal.
What's this?
A whale.
A whale. Oh, that's a whale.
Yeah, hey, what's this one? What's that? An alligator.
Look, I want to go in there too, you know.
Where'd I do the alligator?
Well, let me go.
Here I go. Yeah. Buzz. Buzz. How do you like that? The guy couldn't wait. He had to dive in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, Buzz. Buzz, stop tickling. Stop! Stop tickling, Buzz. He's a playful little son of a gun. Buzz, look, come on. Buzz, come up here, me up. Buzz, me up. Buzz. Buzz. Will you turn around? Buzz, will you stop? I don't want to play anymore. Buzz, no more now. Will you come up wherever you are? Oh, Buzz, I'm even tonight.
I don't understand why he has to try those cats out before he sends them back to the States. It worries me.
Doesn't worry me half as much as those two knotheads you brought along with us.
Relax.
Yeah, Buzz, please don't make me do this.
You're going to do it.
I don't want to.
You're making a coward out of me.
No, I'm not making a coward out of you.
The gossip that's going around this camp. Stanley's a coward. Stanley's a coward. Afraid of a little teeny-weeny alligator like that.
Big alligator.
Oh, stop it. Are you afraid of that?
I think so.
Oh, stop. It's only a skin. Feel it, feel it. Don't be afraid of it.
That's enough.
Now, look. I'm going to make a hero out of you, whether you like it or not. I'm going down that path. You know where the water bag is?
Yeah.
You meet me there. I'll be in this skin.
Uh-huh.
And make sure you bring Diana with you.
Oh, you want me to get Diana and bring her over by the path by the water bag?
Doggone it. Think
And then you're going to have the lion skin on and then...
That's it. Just act like Clyde Beatty.
Okay, Buzz.
Attaboy.
I'm going over to have a chit-chat with Diana. I'm going to show her I'm a pretty brave kid, and I don't like this kind of talk going around.
Why are you talking?
Don't forget, by the path by the water bag.
I'll be there.
Well, boys, in a little while we can say goodbye to Mr. Beatty and his lions and crocodiles and cages.
Tag this one for shipment back to the States. He's a good one. And get the other 3 ready for the training cage. I'll be back later then to work them out.
Diana,
Yes, Danny.
I would like to have a chit-chat with you, if you don't mind.
Of course.
Excuse us, fellas. Now, a few things I want to get straightened out.
Yes?
I'll tell you over here. Diana, there's some talk going around this camp, and I don't like it. I don't like it nohow. And I'm getting plenty peeved about it. And I have a right, too. Have a drink. People are going around saying that I'm afraid of lions. Well, that's not true. That's a lie. I'm one of the finest big game hunters in the world. No one surpasses Stanley Livington. You think the lions that Clyde Beatty catches are big ones? They're nothing but kittens. A little bit of kittens. Why, I want to tell you something. I'm going on a big game hunt myself. I'm going to catch a lion just for you to show you how big I can catch him. You afraid of lions?
No.
Good. Take a look.
Stanley. Stanley, what's the matter with you?
She scared me.
Oh, never mind. Listen, I'm going into the cage. And you behave yourself. I can't understand why he gets so scared.
Stand back! Have no fear, fair lady of that wild beast. I, Stanley Livington, will protect thee, and yous too.
Get back, Stanley. I'll plug him for you. Why not let the lion chew on him for a while? No lion's gonna spoil my fun.
Let him alone, Grappler.
Nice work, Buzz.
Look. He's heading him toward the cage.
Well, I'll be.
Come on, come on. Get in the cage now. I'll show you who's the boss. Come on, come on. The key. I need it no more. Diana, watch. I'm not afraid of lions. And the gun, that's only for Clyde Beatty. Oh, me oh my. Don't get scared. I got him under control.
Boy, the stupid little idiot showing off like that.
Come on, Buzz. Get up on the box. Do a good job. Come on, stop stalling. Get up there. Come on, get up there. What is that, boy? Hey, Buzz, this I gotta tell you. You walked in the cage like a real lion. You even hopped around like a real lion. You wanna know something else? You even smell like a real lion. And that's the part I don't understand. Stop breathing down my neck, too. I don't like that. How do you do?
Oh, this is going to be horrible.
Hey, you come awful close. Now, cut it out or I'll hit you right in the puss with a chair. I'm not afraid of nothing. How do you do? I'm a pretty brave kid. I don't care about kittens. I don't care how big the kittens are. How we doing, Buzz? Hey, Buzz, get those nails filed. They hurt. Serves you right.
I've seen enough.
Stanley! 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 Come out of there! Hey, Buzz, did we fool them? I wish you could have got the look on their faces when they saw you in here. Stanley, come out! I can't. I locked the door over here. Well, throw the key out. I threw the key out long ago. Where? Over there.
Stanley.
Hey, look. Hey, enough is enough. Now go away before you queer it. What are you talking about? They don't know you're inside the lion's skin.
I'll look for the key.
Oh, the big guy. What a look on his face. Buzz, I'll tell you, you should have seen that big guy's face. He didn't know you was inside the lion's skin. I know that you're inside.
Everything's all right. You got nothing to worry about. Stanley. Stanley. Oh, no. No. Oh. Stanley. Stanley. What'd you do with my buddy? It's all my fault. I should have never let him do it. My bosom pal.
Why is this cat in here? And who locked this gate? All right, let the rest of them in. Come on.
Hasiton kanech midoisav. Ay 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 machas. Achas viachas. Achas ushtayim. Oh, the phone's ringing. That's Bittul Torah. Oh, what is it? Hello? Hello? Yes. Yes, this is Rabbi Joe. Yeah, right, the late night horror host. Oh, it's the tailor shop in the corner of Chaos and Mayhem. Thank you for returning my call. Yeah, listen, I need a new pair of pants rush for tonight's show. No, nothing fancy, just basic black, 34 waist. Uh-huh. Yeah, generous, yeah, in the seat, yeah, exactly. Room for dramatic gesturing without a catastrophic rip. Last week I bent over to pick up a rubber bat, and well, let's just say the congregation got an unplanned glimpse of my tzitzis. Well, yeah, they're a pretty reformed congregation. I don't want them to know how frum I am. You can? Midnight delivery? Well, that's wonderful. Shemp? Oh, you're the one answering the phone now? I thought you were retired. No, still pressing pants full time. Well, good for you, Shemp. Steady work is a blessing. $50,000? In whose suit? No, I didn't leave any money with you. I barely leave tips. Wait, you found in a customer's jacket you were cleaning? Oh, Shemp, that's not a bonus. That's evidence. You hid it where? In the lining of Joe Besser's mannequin? Shemp, that's the first place they'll look. Joe's been standing there stiff for years. Cops will notice if he suddenly gains weight in the midsection. The police are there already? You're whispering from inside the steam presser? Shemp, that thing gets to 300 degrees. Get out before you become a pressed Howard sandwich. Joe's yelling, "Not so hard!" every time you try to move the money. Tell him this isn't the time for his catchphrase. No, I can't come bail you out. I'm in the middle of the show. And I'm still waiting for my pants. Listen, just stay calm. If the cops ask, tell them it's my money. Say it's tzedakah for the Manor's new crypt renovation fund. They'll never believe it, but it'll confuse them long enough for you to make a run for it. You're going to surrender? Very noble. Tell Joe to stop threatening to sue the police. It never works. Yes, I'll visit you both in prison. That's my day job. I'll bring rugelach, the cinnamon ones. I know they have to be shelf-stable. If we send them in and the dogs sniff them, the guards will let those through. All right, you're welcome. And Shemp, next time just alter the pants. Leave the detective work to Sherlock Holmes and the laundry to people with fewer felonies. Take care of yourself, Bubala. And tell Joe Besser I said not so hard on the sentencing. Suddenly my split seam doesn't seem so tragic. At least I'm not steaming into a presser with 50 grand and a hysterical mannequin. Let's get back to the show before Karma decides to finish the job on my trousers. Roll it, Igor.
Oh, this is terrible. Stanley. Stanley, it's all my fault. Don't blame anyone else but me. Stanley, how was I to know that a real lion would go into the cage? Oh, this is terrible, Stanley. How could I? Oh, snap. I just lost the best friend I ever had. Oh, if he was only here. There's a kid's never done a bit of harm to anyone.
He was a nice boy.
What a man he was. I never appreciated it until now.
No, you didn't. You was mean to him all the
time. No, it's too late. It's all over. He's gone.
Yes.
The way I used to trap him and set him into things that were all wrong, I would send my worst enemy out to do the things I taught him to do. And the way I used to cheat him.
You used to slap that poor kid all over the face.
Oh, I used to cheat him.
That kid never did nothing to nobody.
He was only here.
He was a nice boy, that kid.
Oh, I feel like jumping off a cliff. That's what I should do.
Poor Stanley.
But no, I haven't got the nerve. He was only here to tell me what to do, Stanley. What should I do, Stanley? Oh, I know what I'll do. It's that lion. That lion. The one that got him. I'll spend the rest of my days right here in this forest. I'll get that lion.
No, you don't.
I'll get that lion if it's the last thing I do.
No, you don't have to.
I'll spend my life here in this forest. I'll tell me what to do.
You don't have to get the... Hello, boss.
Stanley, Smith. Stanley, sure. It's really you.
Sure, boss.
Wait a minute. Are you all there?
Sure.
The lion didn't hurt you?
No.
It's really you, Stanley?
What do you think I am, a mirage or something?
You know Mirage?
I know Mirage.
You're real.
Sure.
You double-crosser. You double-crosser.
Oh!
What's the matter with you? What's the matter?
How do you like that? I was sitting on a piece of broken milk bottle.
Wait a minute. That's a diamond.
I'm going to throw it away.
No, that's a real diamond.
That's a real diamond?
That's what I've been looking for.
That there, kid.
No, don't touch. Don't get hoggish. It's mine. I found them. I found the diamond.
Diamond? That's a piece of broken milk bottle.
Don't tell me what it is.
There's another piece over there. I've been looking at that one for a long time.
Stanley. It's another diamond. A real diamond. Look at him. Look. Stanley, look at here. Come here. Follow me. There's another one. This is unbelievable. Come on, Stanley. Stanley, look. Another one. I'm rich. I'm wealthy, Stanley. Can you imagine?
Look, Stanley. Come here. Look at here. Look, Stanley. Another one. I can buy buildings. I can buy polo ponies. I can buy yachts. I can buy everything that my heart desires. Stanley. Do my eyes deceive me? Look, Stanley. Stanley, another one. Stanley, look at that. Look at the size of that diamond. Well, don't stand there. Think of something I can buy for myself. Think of something. Put that away. Can you... Stanley, look at here. Look at here. Stanley, 2 of them. Hold these, Stanley. Hold them. Don't drop them, Stanley. What your eyes see, your heart must believe. 2 of them. Real... What are you doing with my diamonds? Trying to steal them?
Yeah, that's
Now, hold it. It's my diamonds. Look at the size of them. Stanley, do you realize... Here, Stanley. It's another diamond. Another diamond. Good. We're on the right trail. Stanley, look, Stanley, come here. Stanley, my back is broken. Pick that up. Hurry up, put it on here. Want to know something? What? There's another one. Well, pick it up. Put it on here. I'm watching you. Come on. Oh, another one? Another one. Come on, put it on here. Boy, oh boy. Another one. Can you imagine? Nothing but diamonds. Diamonds. Boy. Fine mess you got us into. All on account of your lust for money.
Me? Oh, Buzz. Now I know what they mean when they say, boy, are you in hot water. Never thought it was going to be anything like this, though.
No excuses.
Buzz. How did you get yourself untied? Quiet. You're smart, Buzz. I take back everything I've ever said about you. Good work. Tell me what you do, Buzz. I'm gonna stay like this. Don't make a move till I make a break for it. I can see him. Get back over there. Make out you're tied. Get ready. You're turning away. Come on. Come on, Buzz.
Come here.
Buzz, come on, will you?
Can I? I'm still tied.
You're not tied. You untied me.
I did nothing of the kind. You untied yourself.
I did not.
Well, then untie me. Come on.
Are you kidding? No, he ain't.
Come on, hurry up.
Take these down.
Get them off. Get these off. Hurry up.
Hurry up. Here he comes.
Oh, come on.
You know, Diana, I never did go for that talk of yours about a 20-foot monkey.
Really?
Yeah. And as for bringing Clyde Beatty out here to capture wild animals, you didn't fool me for a minute.
Well, just why did I come to Africa, Mr. Johnson?
Diamonds. And I know just where they are.
And you can lead us to these diamonds?
That I can. But first we'll talk business. You and I will cut this pie right down the center.
Isn't that wrong?
Now, no bickering. Take it or leave it.
I don't seem to have any alternative.
That you haven't. So, when you make up your mind, just give Buzz a buzz, huh? Yeah, big boy, hold on to that.
Boss, about splitting that pie down the center.
I'll handle this my own way. Get ready to break up camp while I give Mr. Beatty his walking papers.
Hey, boy. Boy, come here. Yeah. Gather up my belongings that are scattered around here. I might be moving to better quarters. By the way, leave these things right here in case that little fat boy, you know, little fat boy, if he does show up, this is good enough for him. Go.
Bullet, a little bullet.
Esto Kichawi Bayosana.
Chief wants to see head man.
Yes, sir.
And so I've decided there's no such thing as an orangutan gargantua. And now that we have enough animals to have made the expedition worthwhile, I'd suggest that you and your men prepare to leave for the coast.
That's all right with me, Miss Emerson. I'll go and tell my men.
All right, Mr. Beatty.
Miss Emerson, there's some fellas out there who want to see you. They want to hold a conference. I think you better hurry.
All right, Harry.
Chief wants to talk.
We'll talk in the hut.
Balada.
Shanti Kataroho, Kuua Manuame.
Chief say, many white men come to land of Bangis for diamonds. Many white men die.
Why does the chief want to see me?
Chief want to be your friend. Chief want to make deal. Want to trade these diamonds.
What does the chief want for the diamonds?
Chief have sweet tooth for little fat man.
Him?
Oh, no. Oh, not him. Little fat man. Strong, strong. Little fat man. Friend of tall, thin man.
Oh, Stanley. Tell the chief he's made a deal.
Jack Albon.
Umgawa. Ndio.
Chief say, deal good.
Excellent.
Just gonna sell him on the hoof. Hey, Gunner. Who is it? It's me, Buzz. Have you seen Stanley? Well, if you see him, tell him to hide until he sees me.
If I see him, I'll tell him.
Yeah.
But so far, I haven't even seen Africa. How is it?
Oh, Gunner.
Hey! I'll tell him later. Diana, there's something I want to tell you. We're in very dangerous territory. Last night, Buzz and I were captured by the cannibals. Man-eating cannibals. And you know what they did? They tied us up to the stakes. And one guy looked at me and he went like this. And I know that was for no good. And I want to tell you something else. I escaped. And then I untied Buzz and he escaped. And there they were, all these cannibals. And I was starting to fight them. And I hit one with a right, hit another one with a right. I hit one with a fancy uppercut. I went like this. Boom! And I hit another one with a right. And then I kept hitting. One guy looked just like him. He had a hat on like that, too. And this guy that had a hat on like this, I hit him such a belt. I went, whop! Right on the side of the head over here, I hit the guy. Oh, he's got the bump. There it is.
Quick, after Stanley.
Yeah.
Diamonds. Diamonds. Dropped in my lap by some kind fate.
Can't let Stanley know about these. They're all mine. I won't share them with no one. I won't. Hey, Baz! Baz! Buzz, come on, quick. Get up, will you? Come on. Take it easy. Hey, what's this? My diamonds. Little fat man got them.
Oh, you snitch.
Can you see them, Stanley? Stanley, what am I going to do? My diamonds. My diamonds. That's what they're after, my diamonds. Oh, no, they can't take my diamonds from me. It would ruin all my dreams. What happened to my boats? My buildings? Give me my diamonds. I know what I'll do. I'll bury them. I'll hide them. They'll never find them. I can always come back and get them, Stanley. Here's a good place right here. Now mark the tree.
Come on, boys, load the truck. The men have finished filling the traps, Mr. Buck. Said the area pretty rough covered. Well, I hope we bag some big ones here. More! The cage! Come on!
Get me out of here! Someone get me out of here!
All right. Come on, Razor, get her out of there.
Have you seen a short, fat man and a tall, thin man running through the jungle?
No, and I don't want to either.
Now I'll never catch up with them.
Where are you going? Wait a minute. Where are you going?
I've got to find them.
You're not going to run around this jungle alone. You stay right here with me.
Come on, Stanley. Stanley, I'm going back for the diamonds. You keep running.
How can I keep running? You got a hold of me!
Go ahead, keep going.
You got him, that's Stanley! Keep him covered, Gunner. Not me, him. I'll go get help. Oh, you're such a nuisance.
Don't give me no trouble, Stanley. I shoot and shoot to kill.
I know you do, Gunner. I won't give you any trouble. You won't even know I'm here. Don't press in so hard.
Oh, scared, eh? Look at your face. It's getting greener and greener, inch by inch. And you're getting spots on your kisser. Stanley, don't force me to pull this trigger. I got an itchy finger. Ah, here it is. My diamonds. Where are my diamonds? I put them here. My diamonds. Who's that? Is that you, Harry?
It's me, Harry.
He's scared stiff. He didn't budge an inch.
He didn't?
No. Did you find Boots and Grappler?
No, I didn't. I'll tell you what you do. Keep Stanley covered.
I got him.
Keep him covered.
Got him?
We'll bring him back to camp.
Okay.
He's a pretty dangerous kid, this Stanley. You did a good job there, kid.
Oh, not a squawk out of him. Keep walking. Hands high, keep walking. The diamonds. There's got to be around here someplace.
Yeah, that's the mark. Why should this happen to me? I planted them right here. Me who's been so good to his friends.
They've got to be here. They must be here. My diamonds are out. Keep walking. Keep walking.
How did you ever get into this mess? I don't understand. Go on. Keep going. Stay on. Keep going. I got my eye on you. What are you trying to do, make a monkey out of me? I see you.
Watch where you're going, you clumsy ox. Me?
Yes, you.
Why, you tripped me those big feet of yours.
I did no such thing.
What are you kicking me for?
Who's kicking who?
You kicked me.
I didn't even touch you. Look, I told you to lay off of me. I didn't trip you and I didn't kick you. So now leave me alone.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll leave you alone.
Look, I'll hit you harder than Lewis ever did.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't understand it. I had an empire in the palm of my hands. It just slipped through my fingers. I can't understand it. I can't understand it. can't understand. My big buildings, my airplanes, my railroads, my yachts. I should be on one of my yachts right now. Look at that. A rat. Can't understand it.
Buzz! 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 Where you going?
I'm going home.
Wait for me.
No, you don't. I've had enough of you.
Move the raft over here.
Oh, nothing over there. You're nothing but a little jinx. You've always been a jinx to me.
I don't understand it.
You don't understand. I don't understand. Go on, get yourself lost.
Hey, Buzz! I'm coming on that raft! Shut up, Buzz. Now I'm all alone. What's gonna happen to me now? Morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Livingston.
Polish every one of the letters. They're important, you know.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Livingston.
Good morning, Tallulah. Have you my paper?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Morning, Mr. Livingston.
Morning, Mr. Meister. How do we stand at Gin Rummy game?
Oh, you owe me about 22 cents.
See you at 2.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget.
Can't understand it.
Sunday driver.
I'm sorry, sir. Mr. Livingston, what about that raise I've been asking you about?
I'll talk to my partner. If he's in.
Thank you, sir.
He's in.
All right. Another case closed. Another night in the books. The jungle's quiet now. Well, except for the occasional gorilla belch echoing through the vines. We followed those two city schmoes deep in the heart of darkness tonight, chasing diamonds, dodging lions, running from cannibals, and trying to outsmart a great big ape with a crush the size of King Kong's ego. They screamed, they slipped, they stumbled, but somehow they made out with their skins intact. Barely. Before that, we dropped into a little tailor shop where the stitches were flying faster than the fists. 3 fellows, 1 pair of pants too many, and 50 grand that didn't belong to anybody in the room. Pressing, poking, panicking. Classic recipe for chaos with the extra hem. Me, I've seen it all. The jungle, the dry cleaners, the gorilla with the wandering eye. Same story, different zip code. Couple of innocent mugs getting over their heads. The animals circle, the money disappears, and somebody always ends up swinging from a chandelier or a vine, depending on the continent. But the Manor's lights are dimming now. The fog's rolling back into whatever crypt it calls home. The creatures are tucking themselves in for what's left of the night. And Africa Screams was based on Africa Speaks, which goes into public domain today. Africa Screams has been in public domain since 1977. I hope we don't get any copyright tags on YouTube, nonetheless. So blow out your jack-o'-lanterns, my little lost souls. Lock the doors, or leave them open if you're feeling lucky. The moon's going down. The shadows are getting longer. And this gumshoe is hanging up his menorah for the evening. And good night, Joe Besser, wherever you are.
I'm spending Hanukkah in Santa Monica, wearing sandals, lighting candles by the sea. I spent Shavuos in East St. Louis, a charming spot, but clearly not the spot for me. Those eastern winters, I can't endure 'em, so every year I pack my gear and come out here till Purim. Rosh Hashanah I spend in Arizona, and Yom Kippur way down in Mississippi. And though I try to get my ass over to Tel Aviv for Passover, I always end up down in Tennessee. But in December, there's just one place for me. Amid the California flora, I'll be lighting my menorah like a baby in his cradle. I'll be playing with my dreidel. Here's to Judas Maccabeus, boy, if he could only see us spending Hanukkah in Santa Monica by the sea.
Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzia ente malai O korles ozman.
Oh, Hamecha Rosh Behemagaso. Phone's ringing again. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello, yes. Yes, this is Rabbi Joe's Midnight Mausoleum. Yeah. Oh, hello. It's the tailor shop in the corner of Chaos and Mayhem. Yeah, this is Rabbi Joe, right? The late night horror host and recently became a private detective. Yeah, those pants I left. Yeah, I need a new pair of pants rush for tonight's show. No, nothing fancy. Just a basic black, 34 waist. Yeah, kind of generous room for dramatic gesturing without a catastrophic rip. Last week I bent over to pick up a butter I think we got to start this over again. Phone's ringing. Just my luck. I'm a little learning. So much Bittul Torah here. Oh, that didn't work again. No. Oh.